We are at the Casa Grande RC Flyers Club. Today I'll be flying the Mini Apprentice 1.2 millimeter on a very windy afternoon.
Normal mode. Timer start.
Take off. Yeah, it's a very windy one today. We're getting a crosswind. The wind is pushing to the east. See if we can come around for a slow flyby. Yeah, the day I decide to come and fly, the winds pick
Time
up.
remaining 7 minutes.
Nothing this trainer can't handle. Yeah, I was out here last week. I was practicing some slow approaches, and I lost it somewhere about there. I misjudged the runway. That crosswind will test your flying skills. Well, there it is. It's picking up again.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Trying to knock off the rust. Yeah, the crosswind makes it real difficult. That's almost zero throttle. Whoa.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Just wish the wind was pushing to the north or the south. Crosswind is really difficult. Oh yeah, it's just picked up even more. I don't know if you see that windsock there to the south. It's pushing hard east. Slightly southeast. Will we be able to land her in one piece? That's the question. My skills are going to be put to the test. Alright, let's see if we can make an approach this way. Alright.
Timer stop.
Whoa, that is a beautiful landing.